Amazing chicken cooking idea. After trying this, you won't want to cook it any other way. In a bowl, start by adding salt to 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs. After mixing, set aside. In a dish, add sliced potatoes. Then drizzle some olive oil. Add salt. Top with 2 sliced onions. Place the chicken thighs on top of the onions. Remember folks, I'm using boneless chicken thighs here. Set this aside. In another bowl, add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Season with 2 teaspoons sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, and a splash of milk. Mix well. Now pour this sauce over our chicken. All set. Cover with aluminum foil. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, then remove foil and cook until golden brown. Look how amazing this chicken turns out. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks!